Hey guys, welcome back to Farm Fam Custom Woodworking, and today I'm going to be changing the blades out in our Dewalt DW735 planer. So just going to do a quick video today on how to do that, and then we'll go from there. So in the top here, you'll see there's a little tool. This tool will basically work on everything you need in here. You got 4 bolts on the top of this right here. You just undo these, 4 right there, and the top of this pulls right off. Bloop. Set that to the side. I'll bring it in here and show you inside of here. There are these 3 red screws right here. You just undo these. And just set them off to the side. And then you'll have your dust cover right here, which this is just gets all the stuff up. And you'll see here it says open and close on here. So this you pick it up and it twists up like this, and then you just kind of wiggle it out because it rides in on here. There's a little groove right in there, and it sits in there and goes in there. So that's why you have to tip it up and push it down to get it out. You pull it up and pull it in. All right, so then here are our blades. So each one of the blades has 8 screws holding each blade in. So you take out these 8 screws right here with the same tool. With this tool, you take out these 8 blades, or these 8 screws, that pulls your blade off. It's got double magnets on the top of this, and that's how you pull that top off, and you pull the blade out. The blades are double-sided, so I've only used one side of my blade, so I'm going to flip that around and use the other side. And to be able to spin the head, you push this right here down. So if you're standing, we're on the front side of the machine right now with the on-off switch where you feed it. So you feed it through this way. It's going to be on the left-hand side. And you just push it down, and that'll unlock it so we can roll that blade. So yeah, so we push this down, and then we should be able to roll that blade. Now remember, the blade is right here, and it's pretty sharp. So we can roll that over, lock it in. We'll be able to go take those out. If you should happen to need new blades, you can get them on Amazon, or you can probably get them at any of the box stores. They should have them. I'll put a link in the description below for the blades. Alright, so you got those out. Like I said, there's 2 magnets on here. So you tip this over, put it down. That pulls your cover right off. Put it on your blade and pick your blade right up. Like I said, it's double edged, so you can switch it around if it's the first time you've done it, or if you haven't switched it before. And there is 2 nubs right here. There's a nub here and here, which will align with the blade. So you set that back on there. Line up your screw holes. Put your cover back on, and then get a couple of your screws started just to hold everything in place. I like to go ahead and get them all started so I just know that they'll go in. And just tighten them down. You could use an impact, like a cordless impact, to spin these down in here just to get them put in. Makes it go a little faster. You just don't want to go so tight that you wreck them. Hold this down. Go ahead and spin it right up. Alright, so we got those changed out. And all I'm going to do is get a flat scraper or a putty knife and try and scrape out some of this stuff in here and on the other side just to clean it up a little. So there's that. So I'll put the top back on it. Once again, this goes in kind of up like this. And then, like I said, it has open and close, so you just kind of get those in there and line it up. Just kind of wiggle it in. And it'll turn right down. Take your red tabs, put them back in. thumb tighten them down. A little compressed air and blow her out. We'll take the top, it slides back in, and then just tighten down these 4 screws again. And these don't have to be super tight. Back in there. Alright guys, that's how you go ahead and change the blades on that. I appreciate you watching. If you liked it, got anything out, go ahead and leave me a like and a subscribe. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.